Well, it's been a few days, and unfortunately it wouldn't even take the update. I tried multiple times, multiple nights. I had to connect it manually to the internet and it just wouldn't update at all. So that's really not a good sign. Unfortunately, that means I'm gonna have to take it to the dealer. I was hoping that the over-the-air update would magically fix everything, but it wouldn't even take it. I'm taking it to Lance Cunningham Ford in Knoxville, Tennessee. They all seem awesome. They seem very knowledgeable about the truck. They have the training to work on it. So I'm crossing my fingers that everything is gonna go along smoothly and I can get my truck back and hopefully not be without it for too long. They told me, depending on parts and what they find, it could be a while, they said. Well, it's been a few days since the last video. I really haven't been driving the truck much at all because it's been really annoying. Every 2 seconds is the or like, it's just been, it's not an obtrusive sound, but anything over and over again really sucks. And I also worry about this frunk flipping open on the highway at any point. So I really haven't been driving it, but right now I am on the way to our local dealership. I have an appointment. I'm going to drop it off. I'm going to cross my fingers that it all goes well. I'm not a huge fan of dealers. If you've watched my videos, I've had some issues in the past with them, not being able to work on the EVs I own and stealing stuff and a lot of bad things. Luckily, this place is highly rated, so it seems good. Let me get over. So we'll see how it goes. I'm actually passing the dealership right now on the highway. I'm not sure why it's taking me past it, but anyways, we're gonna drop it off and hopefully they don't try to charge me for stuff. We'll see. Well, it's in there. I think these guys sound really good. They seem to really know what they're doing. And actually, the last time in my last video, I said one of the head techs came out to get the front closed. His name was Chris. Turns out he's the store manager. And he came out there to check out the vehicle. I guess he had all the training on it. So I'm pretty confident with these guys. I think it's gonna be good. Justin is my service rep, and yeah, they all seem awesome. So I think it's in good hands. They did also tell me that they're gonna give me like daily text updates and even phone calls. So that's pretty amazing. I'll cross my fingers. Quick update on the truck. Lance Cunningham Ford called me just now and they figured out that it is a controller for the frunk. I'm not sure exactly what. I don't have any more details. And then something about a motor for the driver's seat, which I didn't know there was a motor there, but something that controls the massaging seats. Unfortunately, he said it could be 2 weeks to a month until I can have it back. He offered to let me take it, but it's like he said it was all in pieces and I didn't want to make them put it all back together, and we can get by. I think we'll be okay. Hopefully it doesn't take a full month, but he said it just depends on the availability on parts and how soon it gets here. So that's the update for now. Just kind of standing by until it is 100%. Well, I just received the phone call. I am so excited. My truck is done. And they got it done ahead of time. It's only been a week, so that is super awesome. I'm very thankful that they got it done early. They were able to get the parts and everything. That is so cool. What's also amazing and generous is that it's getting detailed right now. Like, they didn't have to do that. That was just an extra step. So I'm gonna go pick it up now, and by the time I get there, it should be shiny and brand new again. Super excited, so I'm gonna head over there now to get it. Hey, what's up guys? I am back in my truck. I am so happy to have this truck back. I can't believe how much I missed this truck. But the guys over at Lance Cunningham Ford here in Knoxville, Tennessee, really took care of me. They got everything fixed. Right now, I'm feeling the massage seats for the very first time because, like I said, they just never worked from day one. So they feel awesome. So that's really cool that it's working. I guess the problems were in this seat, there's some kind of pump. And he said the pump went bad. So that was a problem with this one. And in the passenger seat, that one wouldn't work because there was some error codes and it just wouldn't let it work. So they didn't actually have to replace anything in that seat, I guess. And then for the frunk latch was defective, and it wasn't the latch, I guess, it was the electronics in the latch. And because of these two things were wrong, that is where all the error codes came from. I guess the truck just got super confused. I never got any error lights on the dash again. Like, I didn't know there was even a problem, except for my seat didn't work and the frunk stopped working. But man, I am so happy. They didn't charge me anything. That place is very, very nice. He said they just went through a 2-year remodel, and wow, it looks awesome. The bays are beautiful. Everything's brand new. Everything was covered under warranty. I was so worried given my history with the Tesla and everything, but man, they treated me really, really well. So if I ever need anything else, I won't have to worry as much because now I know the guys over there and I know they're good. But I think that's about it. Super excited. Oh man, it's so nice to be back in my truck. I'll see you guys in the next one.